Dear students, congratulations for successfully completing lesson on reference sources, dictionaries, encyclopedias, handbooks and yearbooks, use and evaluation during the fourth week of the 15 weeks course on information sources, systems and services. In the preceding week, you learned about significance, historical aspects, characteristics, types, and evaluation of reference sources like the dictionaries, encyclopedias, handbooks, and yearbooks. Besides learning about usefulness of each reference source, you were also given examples to understand each source in a better manner. You have also been told which kind of source is suitable for which kind of library. For example, the specialized dictionaries and encyclopedias, subject encyclopedias would be more suitable for special libraries. In order to build an appropriate reference collection for a library, the library professionals must have knowledge of users' requirements and should know how to use and evaluate the reference sources. General evaluation criteria cover checking scope and purpose, publishing and compiling authority, currency, arrangement, format, cost, and suitability of the reference sources for the potential users. Lastly, you learned about the electronic reference sources, which were the dictionaries, encyclopedias, handbooks, etc. You also learned about their importance in modern times and their advantages over the printed reference sources. During the fifth week of the 15-week course, you would continue to learn about more reference sources in the lesson, reference sources, geographical, biographical, bibliographical, and other sources of information, use and evaluation.